Well, the news is taking over the land. It's craziness right now. LeBron James leaving South Beach and returning home. This guarantees success for the Cleveland Cavaliers, right? Well, that's not always the case. I could plot a list of 5 people who returned to their respective hometowns or home teams, and it didn't quite go as expected. So Cleveland fans, hold your breath. We start at number 5. John Emery played at Colorado, was an assistant coach for the Colorado Buffaloes, came in as the head coach in 2011, signed a 5-year deal, coached 2 of those years, going 4-21, and he gone. How about at number 4, arguably the best pound-for-pound athlete of all time, 11 years in Philly to start, 11 All-Star seasons and an MVP in 2001, leaves for 5 years, returns in 2009, plays 25 games, averages a mere 14 points. That's not the answer that I recall. At number 3, Sidney Lowe. Won a title in 1983 while playing for the late, great Jim Valvano with the Wolfpack, but nothing great about his return to Raleigh. 5 seasons, he went 25-55 in conference, never finishing better than 9th in conference. And then at number 2, Larry Brown. You remember, he's born in Brooklyn, New York. A lot of hoopla with him going back to coach in his hometown, his home city. This guy had won world championships with the Pistons, had coached the Olympic team. They paid him a lot of money. 1 season, wins 23 games, the worst in the Eastern Conference, second worst in the NBA, and before you know it, he's out there. And then number 1, this one is near and dear to my heart. The kid, Ken Griffey Jr., got his fame playing for the Seattle Mariners, comes back home to Cincinnati. Everyone thought this was a sure bet, much like King James going to Cleveland. Hampered by injury, never really got it right. That Mariners never quite as expected. So Cleveland fans, be giddy. You absolutely should be, because you guys, awful for a lot of years. But the King is back. It doesn't guarantee success, but who knows? Either way, a lot of excitement. You got LeBron, you got Johnny Manziel. I'm going to go out there and party with you guys. Enjoy it. Here at Campus Insiders, we're covering it all.